Perhaps love is like a resting place, shelter from the storm. It exists to give you comfort, it is there to keep you warm. And in those times of trouble, when you are most alone, the memory of love will bring you home. Perhaps love is like a window, perhaps an open door. It invites you to come closer, it wants to show you more. And even if you lose yourself and don't know what to do, the memory of love will see you through. Oh, love to some is like a cloud, and some are stronger still. For some a way of living, and some a way to feel. Some say love is holding on, some say letting go. Some say love is everything, and some say they don't know. Perhaps love is like an ocean, full of conflicts, full of pain. Like fire when it's cold outside, and thunder when it rains. If I should live forever and all my dreams come true, the memory of love will be of you. Well, hi there, pluckers. Ivor Sawfingers back with you again for hopefully what will be another interesting golden oldie ditty for you. Lovely song from John Denver, of course, and one of his big hits called Perhaps Love. Nice easy chords, nothing too difficult for you here, so I hope you join me for the breakdown in a couple of days' time. Thanks for watching and listening. See you soon.